Hello, welcome to Kholeshwar Junior CBSE School. In last lecture, we have seen properties of multiplication of integers. उसमें से कुछ properties बची है और properties आज हम lecture में देखने वाले हैं. Next property है associativity for multiplication. See the associative property in bracket a into b into c is equal to a into in bracket b into c. Here we use three integers a, b and c. A into b in bracket into c is equal to a into b into c. ये हम एग्जाम्पल से कैसे प्रूव होता है वो देखते हैं. यहाँ पे हमने थ्री इंटीजर्स लिए हैं -3, -2 and 5. Look at -3 into -2 in one bracket into 5 and -3 into in bracket -2 into 5. In the first case, -3 and -2 are grouped together, and in second case, -2 and 5 grouped together. First, -3 into -2 is equal to +6. +6 into 5 is equal to 30. This is our LHS. RHS is -3 into in bracket -2 into 5. So -3 into in bracket -2 into 5. First solve the bracket. -2 into 5 is equal to -10. So -3 into -10 is equal to 30. Minus plus 30. So we get the same answer in the both case LHS and RHS. We can say here LHS is equal to RHS, 30 is equal to 30. So we get the same answer in both the cases. Thus -3 into -2 one bracket into 5 is equal to -3 into in bracket -2 into 5. Here is one question. Does the grouping of integers affect the product of integers? No. Grouping of integer does not affect on the product of integers. In general, for any three integers a, b and c, we can say in bracket a into b into c is equal to a into in bracket b into c. Take any 5 values for a, b and c each and verify this property. Thus, like whole number, the product of three integers does not depend upon the grouping of integers, and this is called as associative property for multiplication of integers. नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी. डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने मीन्स जैसे प्रसाद हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं, सबको देते हैं, इस तरह से. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी इज a इंटू बी प्लस सी. ए यहाँ पे b और c में इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं हम. a इंटू बी प्लस सी इज इक्वल टू a इंटू बी प्लस symbol as it is a into C. This property is distributive property. See the example. 16 into 10 plus 2 is equal to 1 bracket 16 into 10 plus as it is second bracket 16 into 2. हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया है, 16 into 10 plus 2 है तो 16 10 को भी मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया प्लस 16 2 को भी मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. मीन्स 16 दो ब्रैकेट में कॉमन है. 10 प्लस 2 एक ब्रैकेट है, उस पूरे ब्रैकेट को 16 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. मीन्स ब्रैकेट में जो भी डिजिट आए हैं उनको 16 हम क्या कर रहे हैं, सेपरेटली दे रहे हैं. सी सम एग्जाम्पल हियर. We use two method. First method general method and second method is distributive property method. So first method first. So first example -2 into 3 plus 5. So minus 2 as it is into 3 plus 5, 8. Minus 2 into 8 is equal to minus 16. Our output is minus 16. In method second, distributive property method, our example is minus 2 into 3 plus 5. So, minus 2 distribute in this 3 plus 5 bracket. Minus 2 into 3 plus as it is minus 2 into 5. Minus 2 into 3 minus 6 plus minus 2 into 5 minus 10. Minus 6 plus minus minus 10 minus 6 minus 10 minus 16. First method and second method output is equal. In second method we use distributive property. All these example already solved in your book page number 17, but your better understanding purpose I solve here. So next example is minus 4 into minus 2 plus 7. So method first, minus 4 as it is minus 2 plus 7 is equal to 5. So minus 4 into 5 is equal to minus 20. First method output is minus 20. Second method distributive property method. Our example is minus 4 into minus 2 plus 7. So minus 4 distribute minus 2 plus 7. Minus 4 into minus 2 plus symbol as it is minus 4 into 7. So solve this first. Minus 4 into minus 2 minus plus 4 2s are 8 plus 7 minus 4 into 7 7 4s are 28. Here minus 28 plus 8 plus minus 28 means 8 minus 28. Output is minus 20. In first method, second method output is minus 20. Second method is using distributive property. See third example, minus 8 into minus 2 plus minus 1. Method first minus 8 as it is, solve this bracket. Minus 2 plus minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1. So minus 8 into minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Minus 8 into minus 3. 8 3s are 24 minus plus 24. Our output is plus 24. Using method second, distributive property. Minus 8 into minus 2 plus minus 8 into minus 1. So solve this first. Minus 8 into minus 2, 8 2s are 16 minus plus 16 plus 8 1s are 8 plus 8. So plus 16 plus 8 is equal to plus 24. First method, second method output is plus 24. So here distributive property satisfy in addition. What about subtraction? So here is one question. Can we say that the distributivity of multiplication over addition is true for integers? Also, yes, we can say yes. In general, for an integer a, b, c, a into in bracket b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Take alternative 5 distributive value for each of a, b, c and verify above distributive property. It will be also satisfying. Some time ago, I asked you question about distributive property for subtraction. See the one example. Minus 5 into minus 4 minus 6. Minus 5 as it is, minus 4 minus plus 6. Minus 4 plus 6 plus 2. Minus 5 into 2 is equal to minus 10. First method output is minus 10. In second method, distributive property for subtraction, minus 5 into minus 4, minus symbol as it is, minus 5 into minus 6. Minus 5 into minus 4, 5 4s are 20, minus plus 20. Minus 5 into minus 6, 5 6 are 30, minus 30. 20 minus 30 is equal to minus 10. So, we can observe here distributive property for subtraction also satisfy. So, we can say A into in bracket B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. Next point is making multiplication easier. See the some examples. We can find minus 5 into 37 into 4. So, create one bracket. Minus 25 into 37 is equal to minus 925 in. So, minus 925 into 4 is equal to minus 3700. सो यहाँ पे हमने देखा हम ब्रैकेट करेंगे तो यहाँ पे हमारा मल्टीप्लिकेशन क्या हो जाएगा, इजी हो जाएगा. सीधे सेकंड एग्जांपल 16 into 12 वी कैन रिटर्न एज 16 into इन ब्रैकेट 12 को हम लिखेंगे 10 plus 2. सो यहाँ पे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी यूज़ करेंगे तो 16 into 10 plus 16 into 2. 16 into 10 160 plus 16 into 2, 16 to the 36. So, 160 plus 32 is equal to 192. Here, we use distributive property for solving multiplication. See some more example solved using distributive property. Next example is minus 23 into 48. Minus 23 as it is. 48 को हमने ब्रैकेट में किया है. 48 को हम बोल सकते हैं 50 minus 2. सो 23 into 50 minus 2 यहाँ पे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी यूज़ की. 23 into 50 माइनस इन ब्रैकेट minus 23 into 2. Minus 23 into 50 is equal to minus 1150 and minus 23 into 2 is equal to minus 46. So, minus 1150 minus in bracket minus 46 minus plus 46 means minus 1150 plus 46 is equal to 1104. Likewise, example 4 and example 5 solved here. आगे भी कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हैं सॉल्व किए हुए हैं, वो भी एक बार देख लो, फॉलो कर लो उसको. और एक्सरसाइज 1.3 मैंने एक वर्ड फाइल भेजी है, उसमें एक्सरसाइज 1.3 ऑलरेडी सॉल्व करके दी है, वो आपको नोटबुक में लिखना है. एक्सरसाइज 1.3 चैप्टर 1 की पूरी एक्सरसाइज मैंने वर्ड फाइल में लिख कर आपको भेजी है, वो लिख लो.